Hi everyone, I'm Michael, one of the founders of Decipher AI. We're building AI agents that watch thousands of your session replays to help you understand user behavior, help you find insights in your product, and also discover issues that folks are running into. And so this is what our replay experience looks like. I can browse these sessions by user, I can watch them, but what's really cool is I can jump straight to my user behavior tab, where I can ask our AI questions to help me discover things on my product. So let's say that I just launched a ChatGPT competitor and launched a new share feature on that ChatGPT like experience. And so I may want to understand how folks are actually using that share experience. So I can just say, show me sessions where users share a chat, create a link, and then copy it. And so I'll search that, and rather than having to do a bunch of instrumentation, analytics, and watch a bunch of sessions myself, Decipher's it all for me. And so here are a bunch of sessions where folks share a chat. Here are other ones where they created a link and copied that link. And I can dive into these to understand, these different segments of users, what they're doing and what issues they could be having. I also can look into the analytics here because the AI has watched all these sessions. It can tell me how many users dropped off at creating a link and how many further dropped off at copying a link. I can see performance metrics, all this great stuff based off the query that I just made. No proactive work required on the analytics front. And so if I want to watch one of these sessions, I may say, well, why did this person not make it to creating a link? And so I can either watch the session or I can look at this AI generated timeline where I can see what the user was up to. Not that important here, but I can see they got to this create a link moment, and there looked like there was some timeout error as they were frustrated and trying to generate a link. And so I'll look into that later, but this is super helpful to know and would have taken forever for me to figure this out otherwise. Now, you can also use Decipher to understand problems that folks are having across the product, how many folks are having that problem, and know instantly as soon as folks are hitting that problem. And so because the AI is watching everything, it can uncover when folks have loading issues, when folks have some sort of important dead click, or even when folks hit a really important error message while doing something like upgrading their account. So I may want to dive into this one and I can see what is happening. And so what's cool about this experience, I can see that there are many different users that had this problem. Each of those are summarized by the AI. And I can watch the session too and see, well, what was the user up to? It seems like they were trying to upgrade to their team, and that was failing each time. And so I will now dig into this and try to debug it, but now I know that this is really important. And so if you want to know more about Decipher or you want to hop onto a demo, let us know. We are happy to chat.